Welcome to your next level of home security with this fingerprint door lock featuring smart, keyless entry for your front door. This lock supports 5 unlocking methods including app control, fingerprints, passwords, keys, and IC cards for ultimate convenience. Use the Bluetooth app to unlock, share access, monitor battery life, and check guest logs all within range. Protect your privacy with the anti-peeping password feature that allows random numbers before and after your code, while an alarm activates after multiple wrong attempts. Installation is simple and fits most standard doors with no extra drilling or wiring needed, powered by 4 AA batteries. Make sure to set the correct door opening direction in the app for smooth operation. This smart deadbolt also locks automatically after 5 to 999 seconds, giving you peace of mind every time you leave. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.